Hello everyone, in this video I install Canva apps on laptops. So it's very simple, and as you can see here I am using Windows 11. So if you are the same, let me show you. Just click the start button and just going to select Microsoft Store and just going to search Canva and waiting for. So here's appears and just click. So I have installed it, but if you haven't installed it, there is a download button here. So just click and the install button will appear after the download is complete. So I'm sorry if wasn't clear. Yeah, I haven't installed it. But I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.